Hello. Let me introduce you the Audi A1. Internal designation is Type 8X. It is a super mini site launched by Audi at the 2010 Geneva Motor Show. Sales of the initial three-door A1 model started in Germany in August 2010, with the United Kingdom following in November 2010. A five-door version called Sportback, like as you can see here in that video, was launched in November 2011, with sales starting in export marketing during spring 2012. And this here is an Audi A1 8X from 2015. Manufacturer is Audi AG. Production is from 2010 to 2018. The assembly is in Belgium, Brussels. The body style is five-door hatchback. It is available in a three-door hatchback version too. The layout is FF and F4 Quattro 6MT only. The platform is the Volkswagen Group PQ25. And the related cars are Volkswagen Polo MK5, Seat Ibiza MK4, Skoda Fabia and Audi S1. The engine, in this case it's a 1.0 engine. It is also available with petrol, is 1.2 TFSI engine, 1.4 TFSI, 2 liters TFSI, 1.6 liter diesel and 2.0 liter TDI diesel. The transmission, in this case, in my Molly, built-in is a 5-speed manual transmission. It is also available in a 6-speed manual and a 7-speed S-tronic and a 1-speed A1 e-tron version. The wheelbase is 2.469 millimeters. These are 97.2 inches. The length is 3.944 millimeters. These are 155.7 inches, and the width is 1.74 millimeters. These are 68.5 inches. The height is 1.4 millimeters. These are 55.7 inches. The weight of the car is from 1,040 to 1,140 kilograms. These are 2,290 up to 251 lb. And it's available as 3-door, 5-door Sportback. And in this case, it's a 5-door Sportback car, and this I love much. The A1 3-door went on sale in the most markets in the late 2010, and it followed by the major public launch at the 2010 Paris Motor Show. Taiwan models went on sales in 2011. Early models included 1.4 TFSI engine. Ambition and Attraction A1 Sports was added in August 2011. The car aimed mostly at young, affluent, urban buyers. And it is equipped with a steel wheel, but in my case I replaced the standard wheels with aluminum rims, 18 inches, and it was 15 inches. Now it's 18 inches, and the engine has a nice sound, easy rider, and the transmission is good. The bumpers are really nice. You will drive smooth and gentle, but if you refuel the car with Ultimate 102 petrol, it goes a little bit faster, and it's nice. It is enough space for the driver and the passenger. And the back bench, it is a little bit not so much space. It's not so good, but it's okay. In the trunk, you have enough space for a big shopping day, and you can expand this area a little bit by using the cover and elevate it down a little bit. Then you have more space in the trunk. The light is halogen also available in other xenon bulbs, for example. And the engine is in this model it's a 1.0 TFSI engine with 95 PS. These are 70 kilowatt, and PS is horsepower. You have 175 Newton meters torque. You will go from 0 to 100 kilometers in 10 around about 11 seconds. The top speed is 190 kilometer per hour, and we, as I said before, 5-speed manual, and it is an awesome car, an awesome equipment inside, nice quality product. You have a easy to drive car. It looks really beautiful. At the front side, I like it really much. The rear is not so nice, I think, but the front side is really cute, really sporty, nice car. I like it really much. This car is name is Molly, and if you like to you like to learn more on my channel, subscribe it and have a look there. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.